Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Do you like moringa? Have you heard about it? Did you know that moringa is considered one of the foods of the future, according to the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, FAO? It grows in almost any soil, making it a great resource for people living in arid, famine-prone areas. It's considered a superfood and has 7 times more vitamin C than oranges, 4 times more vitamin A than carrots, 4 times more calcium than cow's milk, 3 times as much iron as spinach, 3 times as much potassium as bananas, and twice as much protein as yogurt. Did you know that its seeds are used to purify water? This makes moringa a miracle plant used in many parts of the world. In addition to these benefits, it can also improve circulation and the immune system, improve digestion and balance the metabolism, normalize blood pressure and hormone levels, prevent diabetes and prevent cellular aging, facilitate sleep, and has aphrodisiac effects. Incredible, isn't it? It also has a high anti-inflammatory effect. As if all this wasn't enough, the taste of moringa is pleasant, and its leaves and flowers can be eaten raw or cooked in various ways. This is how you prepare moringa tea. You need 1 tablespoon of moringa leaves and a liter of water. Boil the tea for up to 5 minutes and let it cool before drinking. Simple, isn't it? Ideally, you should drink no more than 500 milliliters to 1 liter of this tea per day. It should be remembered that people suffering from renal insufficiency shouldn't use the tea because they may have difficulty absorbing the calcium contained in the plant. If you've gotten this far, post moringa in the comments so we know you enjoyed this video. If you already know about this plant and its benefits, tell us about it. Wishing you good health. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.